Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mockup in Canva step by step in 2026. This will let you place your design on products like t-shirts, phones, laptops, and even more. So first of all, you'd like to open any browser and make sure that you're logged in into a Canva account. If not, make sure to go log in, or if you don't have an account, just go and create an account. So now we would like to create a design. Click on create at the top left corner. And of course, you can choose any design type. But normally for products mockups, many people use square or presentation size. So for me, I'll choose square because it's optimal. So I choose here square. Pillow, it's same as square. You can choose only square if you want to. So the first thing that we would like to do is simply upload your design. So on the left panel, you'll find here a lot of things. You can search for like some designs that already exist here. As you can see, like maybe this one or something like here. So these designs, you can just go and click on it. And as you can see, this mockup, you can already use it. But if you have your own design, make sure to go and upload that. So on this left panel, you'll find uploads. Just go and click on it and click on upload file. And I do have here some designs like this one. As example, I'm just going to upload this. Let's wait for it until it gets uploaded. And it should be right here. So here we are. So for me, I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to try to resize it for the square. As you can see, it doesn't look that good even if I make it like that. So I'll have to like put it or resize it a bit until it's a square. So as you can see, now this is what we are at. You can, as an example, once you upload your design, to make more edits, like you can add more design to Canva. If you want to add any text, any elements, any maybe draw something, I don't know. If you want to add anything, make sure to add it right now. Other than that, you can click on the image itself and click on edit, as you can see here at the top right. And from here, as you can see, you can make a lot of things. So as you can see, this Magic Studio, most of them, or it could be all of them, as you can see, are pro, so you will not be able to use this unless you have Canva Pro. But here you can apply some filters, as you can see. And you can even choose the intensity of the filters if you want to make some additional designs for the same example design or something like that, like some variations of it, like maybe different colors and stuff like that. You can add even some effects if you want to, but the effects will not be seen here because we want to be a full square. So here you can even use some apps, and I would assume that there is some mockup app. Let me just check as an example. So let's just type mockup. So yeah, logo mockup maker. So if I click on it as an example and open it, so here you can even upload the image, and you can here describe how you want to transform your logo. Example, for example, add the logo prominently in the front of or on the front center of a white t-shirt. If you want an example to see just how it look like, so if you click on experiment, so example, put the logo and the black in a black background. You can do that and click on generate. Here you can choose the aspect ratio. So do you want to match the input image or change the aspect ratio from here? So if you have multiple images, you'll be able to do it for all multiple images to add that. But for me, I'm just going to do that. So let's just inspire again. So minimize the minimalist white mockup showing my logo on a sleek business card with a soft shadow, natural background, professional lighting, and high details. Yeah, that seems good. Let's just click on generate. As you can see, there is this app that can make, as an example, your design better to be a mockup. So this is called the mockup tool that you can use in Canva, which is called the logo mockup maker. So as you can see, I can click on add to design and you'll be able to see it. So for me, I'm just going to resize it again to see. So as an example, your business card will look something like that. I just resized it so you can see it properly. Of course, let me just go back, click on edit again. Let me go click on see all. So of course you have even the image upscaler if you want to upscale your image, but this, as you can see again, uses Pro. Yeah, let me just go and click on inspire me again. So we'll do something here. I'm not going to read it to show you just what it can do. Let me just go and click on generate. So it seems like this app will require credits. If I use just one, and it's just finished my credits. If I want more credits, I can click on view pricing, click on continue as example. It will take me here and I'll be able to see the pricing. So as you can see, I have unlimited use if I want to pay monthly, and if I want to pay yearly, I have unlimited use and I will be able to save 70 or 50% off. So you can only use this once if you want to see how it does look like. And yeah, that's basically how you create that. So now let's just say you make all the changes to the mockups that you want. Once you do so, of course, you can click on share an example and try to download the picture of it. Make sure to use like PNG, which is best for complex images and illustrations. You can use also GPG. And of course, once you do so, you can just go to your any tool that you'll upload the design of the mockup on it to add it on a t-shirt, on a phone case, on a laptop, on whatever you want. And if you just want to see how this look like, I believe they have some templates, for example, mockup. So let's just go and look for example mockups here. So they have some wall art mockup, an example, if you want to check that. So an example, if you click on it, they will give you like wall art mockup where you'll be able to change probably the design or the picture inside, as you can see. So I guess you'll be able to delete it and add whatever design you want. So I'm just going to upload example this. And of course, as you can see, it's been there. And yeah, that's basically how you create mockup. But this is not the most efficient way. You can just go and create your design here in Canva and go to any other tool and upload the design to add it to any t-shirt or whatever you want to put the mockup on. Make sure to keep Canva only for designs because Canva is not optimal for creating mockups. If you want to do that, as an example, and use the mockups that you can find here. So let's see if they have any other mockup. So probably they have, yeah, just the wall arts and wall arts mockup and art wall mockup. Probably this basically the same thing. I don't think they have any other thing. So maybe do they have like some t-shirts mockup or something like that? So you have here some stuff like that. I would let's just click on one of them. I don't think it would be good to try. So yeah, this is just some t-shirt logo and stuff like that. So nothing like good to try or see how it looks like. It's not like a Canva for sale or something like that. You can just go and create your design and take it to any other platform to apply the mockup that you created right here. So as I said, once you download this, you can just go and use it whenever you want or wherever you want. Make sure to just download this PNG or GPG and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.